Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. As always, I want to first remind you to enjoy. ENJOY. Enjoy is our Make It Happen Monday mantra, as well as our go-to acronym. E, eat real food in 12 hours or less daily. N, nurture your microbiome. J, join me in moving daily. O, optimize your breathing. And Y, yes to restorative sleep. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a quick, simple, nutritionally turbocharged dish that is one of my favorite fast go-to lunches. As is true for most of us, life is busy, and I love this recipe because I can prepare it in 7 minutes or less, and it keeps me full for hours. Woo-hoo! And of course, it's tasty because tasty is all I do. So here goes. First, for the ingredients, you're going to start with some leftover brown rice. Quinoa works as well. You need some avocado pan spray or 1 to 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, frozen baby peas. Those that cook in 3 minutes or less are best. Granulated garlic, some turmeric, black pepper, salt to taste, and some extra protein as you see fit. I flip around between tempeh that's drenched in a little cocoa aminos, baked tofu, or an omega-3 egg or 2 if I feel like I need more of the calories and protein. And then, of course, to top it off, some hot sauce of choice. That is optional, obviously. And then I love it with a side of sauerkraut or some kind of fermented veggie, topped with a little bit of fermented cottage cheese.
Delicious.
So, how do you do it? You're going to start by putting a small to medium-sized skillet on a stove over medium-high heat. You want to add your 1 to 2 teaspoons of the extra virgin olive oil or your pan spray. You're going to put in your rice, and I usually do about 3/4 of a cup of brown rice. You're going to stir that continuously until it's heated all the way through. Then you're going to sprinkle it heavily or to your taste preference with garlic and the turmeric. You're going to add 1/2 to 3/4 cup frozen peas and continue to stir until the peas are thawed and heated through. Then you're going to just add your protein of choice. Again, the tempeh, the tofu, or the eggs. Continue to cook until your protein is cooked if you're doing eggs, or heated through if you're doing tofu or tempeh. Then you want to season it with salt and pepper. Don't forget that pepper because it boosts the absorption of the turmeric. You need that. And drizzle with hot sauce to your liking. Enjoy, again, as I said, with a side of kraut or kimchi, with or without a bit of fermented cottage cheese, and bon appetit. Be sure to check out my Zoom to Health program coming this fall. This exclusive offering is the most personal, the most intensive in a great way, and the most powerful of all my offerings. In the Zoom to Health program, I'm going to be with my students every step of the way for an entire year. Students get access to my complete library of e-courses. Yes, all of my courses, there are 15 total, as well as 22 live small group Zoom sessions with yours truly over the year. What's more, students get lifetime access. This is a first to my core e-courses. There's 6 total. These are the e-courses that we deeply focus on one at a time with each other as we progress through the year. With these 6 courses, you will learn how to triumph in the 5 pillars that determine your health journey and would encompass my Healthy Living School mantra, enjoy. E, eat real food in 12 hours or less daily. N, nurture your microbiome. J, join me in moving daily. O, optimize your breathing. And Y, yes to restorative sleep. And spouses can take part with you for free. I know that meaningful, lasting behavior change takes time, ongoing education, accountability, and reassuring encouragement all along the way. And that is exactly what you're going to get with this exclusive and intimate, one-of-a-kind program. We would be honored to have you. Learn more or enroll by clicking the enroll button in this email.